remain seated at all times to keep all arms, legs, hands, feet, and children inside the train. Just a reminder, there is no smoking allowed inside the Omaha Zoo. Beginning off to our left are the white rhinos. Their name does not refer to their color, but is actually a mistranslation of a Dutch term meaning wide or square limbs. Also coming up on our left is going to be the picnic goat corral. Visitors can go to Penn Brush to the goats for free from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. daily.
Allie was on this side, so yeah, it makes sense.
Here, pour some whiskey.
Is it charging?
Welcome aboard the Omaha Zoo Railroad. My name is Megan and I'll be one of your conductors for today's train ride. For your safety, please keep all arms and legs inside the train and remain seated while the train is in motion. For fire and procedures, I must ask that you not smoke on the train. Smoking is not permitted in the zoo. To the left is the engine house, where the greasy air making the train engine. The building is closed to the public, but as the train goes around the bend, if you look over your left shoulder, you can get a good view of the inside. Pacific number 119 that pulled the train to Parliatory Point, Utah to the leg of the Golden Spike on the Transcontinental Railway. On today's 1.5-mile ride around the zoo, you'll have a chance to experience riding a steam engine and view some of our zoo animals. The zoo has over 34,000 animals represented by more than 1,100 different species. Also to our right is an area of exploration. Guests can look at what tools wildlife managers use in the field. There's an actual lion and elephant, which is great. and a real grounded Bell 47 helicopter.
You get a good picture, send it to me, like really.
You might be able to spot one at the top of the rock. After our lions are our cheetahs. We have a mom and her cubs, all named after characters from the movie Mean Girls. Koi fish and spider monkeys in the summertime. We're now entering the African grasslands, which was a $73 million endeavor, 28 acres in size, making it the largest project of Omaha Henry Rose Junitorium's history. A giraffe has 7 vertebrae in its neck, just like humans. Theirs are just a little bit bigger. The ostrich is the largest bird in the world. Their eggs are also the largest eggs. They equal about 24 chicken eggs. We are now approaching our next stop at Kennebec Station. If you are getting off at this stop, please wait for the train to come to a full and complete stop and exit to the right rear away from the engine. Once again, if you're getting off at this stop, please wait for the train to come to a full and complete stop and exit to the right rear away from the engine. If you are planning on staying on, please have those tickets ready for one of us to come by and collect.